You know the 3 things that it takes to start a revolution? Number 1, a design so simple that a child could understand it. Number 2, a spark so hot that it could wake the dead. Number 3, an engineering team so brave they could leave it alone for 20 years. I'm talking about the OMC Magneto. This little bright, shiny aluminum plate is the reason why 70 years later we're still keeping those vintage outboard motors running. From the Eisenhower era to the Nixon administration, this ignition system didn't change. Why? Because it worked. Johnson and Emerald knew that if you're stuck in the middle of a bayou, you can't rely on computers. You need physics, magnets, copper wire, mechanical points. This is garage mechanic gold. No black boxes, no microchips, just pure mechanical fire. If you respect simple engineering, great design, and reliable parts, then you gotta respect the mag. The Magneto is the heart of the outboard. It provides the pulse. But every once in a while, just every once in a while, it gets out of rhythm and needs a tune-up. These coils crack, the points get corroded or pitted, the wires may get old and fatigued, but don't let it lie to you. You can bring it back to life. It's not that hard. So you've got a Magneto that's seen its better days. Well, you've got 3 options to bring it back to life. And I'm going to walk you through all 3 of them right now. Number 1 option, DIY. Do it yourself. It's not that hard to do. I've got all the videos and I've got all the parts to provide for you to do it yourself. It's been reliable for 20 years and you can keep it going. Option number 2 is my mail-in repair service. Just take your Magneto, stick it in a box, ship it to T-Mike. T-Mike will rebuild it, test it, video it, and ship it back to you. My mail-in repair service link is on my website, tmikevintageoutboard.com. Click on the link, fill out the form, submit it to me, and ship it to me. T-Mike will fix it and ship it back to you. And option number 3 is a swap out. All right, I have a listing on my eBay store and my website for you to get a fully refurbished Magneto. You just ship yours to me. I'll ship you the refurbished one. It's all good. We do a trade with a rebuilt Magneto. Simple. Bring it back to life. So this Magneto is not just a part. It's a testament to old school engineering and how reliable parts can be made and kept working. So whether you fix it yourself, you let me fix it for you, or you swap it out, you can do it. You can keep this Magneto going for another 70 years. You can do it. I know you can. So if you liked the video and I helped you out, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the like button. And don't forget my website, tmikevintageoutboard.com, where you can get all your parts, all your technical consulting. And if you have a problem you can't solve, remember, you can always